To use the timer on your Casio G-Shock, press the mode button until you reach the timer. From here, you can press and hold the adjust button to set the minutes of your timer. The hands are just moving in a way so they doesn't disturb the view of the window. So you use the start and reset button to move to the time you want. You can only set minute and up to 60 minutes. You cannot change the seconds. Unsatisfied with the time, press the adjust button to go back to this page. The end will go back to the time position, and you can hit the start button over here to start the timer. You can hit the reset button for doing absolutely nothing, but you can press the start button to stop the timer and then hit the reset button to reset it to the set time that we have just adjusted over here. So start the timer, stop the timer, reset the timer, and go back to the time with the mode button. So I hope this video was helpful.